Yo, what is cracking gang? Alex Multa's lawn care and junk removal business here, and today I'm breaking down these 3 landscaping jobs that made me $650 in just 6 hours. I'll show you guys the exact work, what tools I used, and at the end of this video I'll break down my expenses so you can see how much I really profited. And like always, everything I use will be linked in the description down below or shown at the end of this video. Now let's get started. Now listen guys, don't sleep on landscaping jobs. When I first got started out in lawn care, I didn't care much for landscaping. I was all about mowing. But here's the thing, clients don't just want their grass cut. They're gonna ask you to clean out flower beds, install mulch, plant flowers, trim bushes, and the profits on these jobs are way better than mowing. You're not wasting money on gas like you do with mowing. It's really just your time and your energy and a few tools you can use over and over again. Like for example, a rake and a hoe. Those are just like one-time purchases that you can just keep reusing. Now these 3 jobs were originally scheduled for the weekend, but since it rained last night, I had to push my lawn mowing schedule back. So instead of taking the day off, because I was thinking about it, it rained last night and I was thinking about just taking the day off, but the jobs, they would have to be done anyway, so I just went ahead and rescheduled these landscaping jobs and it worked out perfectly. And honestly, pulling weeds when the soil is like soggy is way easier. So what I thought was going to be a wasted day, I just went ahead and turned it into a $650 day. Now landscaping jobs like this, they usually add an extra $1,000 a week for me. I've been stuck around the 4 to 5k per week mark. The money mostly comes from mowing, but throwing in a full day of landscaping can really push my revenue way higher. So if a client asks if you can handle landscaping, don't be afraid to say yes. Just do what I did, watch a few YouTube tutorials, practice, and then take on the job. Like, the profit is worth it. Right now I'm planning to start a Facebook ad campaign just for landscaping gigs next month. My goal is to stack as much cash as possible before the mowing season slows down. And then right after that is leaf season. That's a whole different beast that's gonna keep me busy until mowing kicks back up again next year. So there you guys have it, 3 landscaping jobs, 6 hours, $650 in revenue. Do not sleep on these projects. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button, hit subscribe for more tips on running a lawn care and junk removal business. Drop a comment, let me know what's your favorite landscaping gig. Let's keep making money, gang. Remember, there's no nobility in poverty. Stay grinding and stay winning. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Ya. Se aguanta, déjala por primero. Okay. Ya. ¿Ya cómo cortaste? ¿Qué? ¿Más arriba? Ya. Vaya, yeah. All these over here, the whole flower bed. So let's see how long it takes us. So she right there. out. Let's get it. Hasta duro. Clear this one out. Let's get it. Bounce. We just got the other one. Let's do 3 little sections. It's mostly right here and right here, but I'll save that for later. See this? Es mota. Yeah. Ahí te lo guardo. ¿Ah? Cuando llegue le voy a decir si me lo puedo quedar. ¿Ah? El que vive acá. Vas a sacar todo aquí de este lado, mira, allá. Do 3 little sections. Mostly right here and right here.